Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing how to make a quick login system in Godot 4. I am currently in the main menu tutorial project that I created in another video. I'm going to be building off of that. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be duplicating the options menu screen. And I'm just going to be making a login menu. Alright, now over in the login menu, I'm going to be deleting basically everything inside. Going to also be getting rid of the script. I'm going to be creating a couple of text edits. One being for the username and also one being for the password. Okay, now that I got those two created and scaled up, I'm going to be creating a username. I'm going to be copying this, be placing in the placeholder text, and also a password. Same here. Okay, now I'm going to be creating a new script. It's called login menu, sure. I'm going to be creating a couple variables. One is going to be the username, which I'm going to be storing in plain text. However, the password is going to be encrypted, and we do not want to store that in plain text. We're going to be using a SHA-256 algorithm, and that is built into Go 4, luckily, so we don't have to do anything special there. But I'm going to just be setting the password right now as a blank variable. Okay. And now I'm also going to go back here. I'm going to add a button, and this button is going to be for both creating and logging in. So let's just call it login for now. And I'm going to do create first off. However, I am going to change that. So on button down, I'm going to connect to my menu. I'm going to add another variable called variable button. Actually, let's do created. I'm going to make that false. Okay. This will be set after we create the password. So if it's down and if created, then I'm going to be setting the username as the username dot text. And we'll be setting the password as the password dot text dot SHA-256 underscore text. And finally, we're going to be setting created to true. Oh, and also I forgot to set here if false. And after that, I'm going to delete these. I'm also going to be printing account created. We can go ahead and test that right now. We create, see, account created. And now also after this, we can be setting the login text to login, since we already created our account. Press play. Oops, press play. Gee whiz. And now we can log in. I am also going to be setting the username text to blank, also the password text to blank. This way we can have a fresh start and it will look nicer. So again, we'll just type single characters, create, and it will clear out everything. Now to create the actual login system, we'll be doing else, since we have now created our account. I will then be checking if the username is equal to the username. So if username text is equal to the username that we have on file. If this is true, we will continue. Now we need to check if the password is correct. Since we have stored it as a SHA-256 to keep that encryption, we need to check if the enter password text .SHA-256 is equal to, if equal to password. What this does is a encryption method that is commonly used where you don't store the password, you only store its end encryption, which is a type of encryption that you cannot reverse. It is meant to be a one-way, so what we have to check is if the password we entered has the same result. Because if it doesn't, then obviously we don't have the same password. But if we were to store the same password and there was, say, a data leak in your servers, someone could grab that password and have it. But if they have the SHA-256 output, they cannot reverse that. So your users are safe. So after we check this, we can print login success, or if else here, login fail, and else here, login fail. So now we can try. If you go here, go here, test, and let's do pass. If we create, and then we do pass, let's just try failing it, login fail. But if we restart and do test, let's say test, create, created, test, test, login success. And finally, upon success, I will be switching the scene to the main menu scene that we made in the previous video. So if I do test 1, 2, 3, create, test 1, 2, 3, I will not be put into the main menu. I will not be covering how to save this data in this video. I will be covering that in a future video though. But I hope this showed you the basics behind a login system and encrypting data properly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I will be happy to answer them. Otherwise, have a great day. Thank you.